Signals and slots, or the way I like to think of it, action and reaction functions. Hello and welcome back. In the last video, we went over the GUI and we noticed how there wasn't much functionality. We could click on a button, but nothing would occur. In this video, I want to show you how we get functionality in our application. I want it to be such that when I click on the add button, I want something to happen. Similarly, when I click on the display button, I want something to happen. How do I achieve this? I use something called signals and slots. And the way it works is you can think of a signal as being an action and a slot as being a reaction. In this case, when the user, click on the add button as my action, I want the reaction to be to display some message. And the way I do this is by using a connect function, which takes as first parameter the widget, the second parameter, the action function, the third parameter, the parent, the fourth parameter, the reaction function. In this case, let's do it all from scratch. I call my connect function. I pass in the widget. I pass in the signal. What's great is clicked is a built-in signal or built-in action. I then pass in the parent and I pass in my reaction function, which in this case is just display message. Now, display message is something I have down here, which is very simple. It is a void function, and the only thing it does is it will print out a message to the console. Now, if I save my file, if I build it, little mistake. Oh, okay, I missed a parentheses. Build my file, and if I run my project, I now get my GUI. And now when I hit, or should I say click the add button, notice I get the output on my console. Let's go back. Notice I have another signal and slot set up. I connect my display button with the signal of being clicked. Remember, signal is the action. What is the reaction? I want my GUI to close. Now close is a built-in slot, so I did not do any of the coding here. So now, when I hit the add button, I get the output on my console, a message. And when I click the display button, my GUI closes. And that's it, signal and slots, action and reaction functions.